Nisuwing pa sa kanti ko Don Bosco Media Network kunirim chaksoa ang Alicia A. Sangma na simang na dali Koborrang ko para katinga. Katabi chungrang, Skutong Minister National Human Rights Commission NHRC ni Chairperson Kogunga, Garuhil so kontagni na Non-Cooperation Movement ko ngatanga, Garuland State Movement Committee ni Spokesperson ang tangi nam nikijani ko para katanga. Chumug pa Koborrang, Skurba salo mukro ang paubos ni chugumuk ko adog ni skutong Minister Cornet Kesangma Union Home Minister Kogunga ni Jaman adog ni Deputy Minister President Song ni Dongpa Anyo National Human Rights Commission NHRC ni Chairperson aro mandira ko manakrag ba Justice Arun Kumar Mishra Baksa gaban memberang ko grongangin ba agan thalate unangaha Yobosani bidding o Central Agency chi sandirukani ko dakatingani gaman ba Cornet Kesangma NHRC ni Chairperson arugupan memberang na uyacholaha. Wamang ko grunganganyo patanggaman salo, uang gapa ubos tani bidingo, nangagta jakurang ko di ate, NHRC ni gata takchakani ko China, mutmula aru makangchi asong ni J babi aprango, yan dagpo ubos tarang, ung tayja nagata adok isagi gapan ni sima ari jorango, dongin ni timing gapa aru chelchakani rangko, uning pa si payrang na, namedake magrakatani ko na nang chumutingani gaman ba, skutong minister janap jolaha. Yung meeting o dong pagparang NHRC ni General Secretary Devendra Kumar Singh, NHRC ni member Rajiv Jain, Meghalaya Sorkari Police ni Secretary Cyril C. Ding do unga.
We just met the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission along with the other members, and we have apprised them about the incident that happened in Mukro village, West Chinta Hills in Meghalaya, about the fact that how the Assam police had fired on the civilians and on the public in that village, which led to 6 people losing their lives. And we explained and expressed about how this was a very inhuman act and a complete violation of human rights. And we have apprised them about the entire actions that have been taken and the fact that CBI inquiry will take place. And we have asked for their support in this entire matter and also requested them to take necessary action from their side, as this is a clear case of human rights violation. We have also asked them that in the future these kind of incidents should not be repeated, and hence proper sensitization needs to be taken and done in terms of the forces that are there in different parts of the border areas, especially the sensitive areas, so that future these kind of incidents where innocent lives are lost does not happen ever again in any part of the country, for the matter of fact.
Garuhil si NGO rang jikhay GSU, FKJ, GP, AYWO, nangrami meeting ko ngatangaha aru non-cooperation movement ko kontagani na mukrusongo, ongga pa asil na ngatangaha, kobro ko manani gita de dukhan rang gamukon salo sabajyo ni gatambajyo na chipe donataha, Assam police ni dakakam rang ko jegalani chin gita ya non-cooperation movement ko ngatangaha. Garuhil si NGO rang Assam police ni namgijakam ko jegala, aru indakan namgijakam ko chakeni dongjawa ane prakatangaha. Meghalaya adok ni mandirang na chunga chugumuk support kagen ini pangsrang sangma GSU Pulbari ni General Secretary aga nangaha. Wasiang pa nuktang rang na atang ni duk manani ko aro kalamani ko ba parkatangaha. GSMC Garuland State Movement Committee tura ni spokesperson CEC Ryan CH Marak Assam Police rang ni mukro o ungang pa ubos tao wamang ni ungija jako di ani na matnanganga aro antang ni duk ungani ko siyang pamandirang ni nuktang na kalampaanga. Mamang sorkari ko aro Meghalaya adok ni sorkari ko yobosani gemen rakkepa jako di ani ko ra China geta dabyanga ha adok sorkari ko basyang pamandirang ni nuktang na kursa compensate ka ang na dabyanga dos takkepa police rang ni hosako action rakhana ba dabyang jolaha
dingtang mancha ya salibako anchimi mande Meghalaya awo dongeng pa manderang ko Assamni dingtang mancha ibain ba police rang ibain ba Goi galani ko jegalen ba ya somene bako na simang na parakata Garuland State Movement Committee aro dengtang NGO strong genang JK GSU aro ni President TG Koborrang aro AYWS ni President Mangdang aro dengtang NGO strong ba jegalaha daw ya somene bako ba jegalen ba bisumi gije takke ribain ba mande dos kijang ko goi galani gemen duk akon caknam giza ya manderang jerangan siang bobo nang keparang ni genang cem warang na cenga solidarity genang ar condolence rang ko onjo ta ganang chinga dukan mukchen kape chinga kusium gijene ko misokat na katanang neka aro dingtang mancha central ba state government ba ungchina bisimang dingtang mancha yamanderangna crore sa ko otnanang chumota maina mandini jangi crore sabong china crore chkumung china crore cha sabong china mandini jangira inabaten gamchapata andiba chatai antatoni takako ma sienba bisimang china nenba tingim ulmona gnang dingtang manderang nangcheng rama rimbirango dingtang biaprango ba yarangko dingtang mancha prevent kana kadrakede wamang ona kata manachem endiba dongjani asel nakba obostarang nanangau kakaha mandi anchipari nanangaha mandi siaha legen ba anga Caroline State Movement Committee ni spokesperson Ryan CS Marak dukungan baksa antoni namnik kijako aru iko nakba obostako jigalen ba anga dukungan baksa anchimi manderangna garul sidong ko pamna bang jachina maina khasi hills na bang jachina maina jenti hills na bang jachina maina go jeglel anga nasimang sakan timengan apsanong kamba khakugen takang kugen nenba nasimang na kura chaka yakusana gani anga angni nasimang na kupateni ar kumoni kona mathela
yan dalna Koborrang ni suwing pa sakanti kon metela